Everybody, welcome to BBB, Bitcoin Bull Believers. Uh, for any of you that haven't watched the beginning videos, uh, I think there's a misconception about Bitcoin. You know, when it's at $50,000 over, and that you can only buy $50,000 worth. Bitcoin can be split to infinite far as you want to go. Like if you take a dollar bill, you can break it down to 100 pennies. That's it. There's not a half a cent or a quarter of a cent. You can only break it down 100 times. Bitcoin you can break down far as you want to go. So you want to buy 10 cents worth, you can. You want to buy 10,000, you can. It doesn't matter. You can buy any amount. So don't believe when you hear those big prices. It'll scare you off. So that's what I wanted to say. Man, how did I get that screen? It's supposed to be in that screen, but I'm having technical difficulties with one of them. But okay. Anyway, let's find the correct one. There it is, finally. Anyway, we're here looking at this rising channel. Going back from the first of the year. Well, no, actually, more like 1st of February. So we've had this rising channel since the 1st of February all the way now to the 21st, or yeah, 21st, whatever today is. I don't have any clue. Let's take a look. 17th. I just had it stretched out to the 21st. So 17th. So that is where we are now. Up the channel, down the channel, up in the channel. Channel. He must have did it on a longer range period, like, I'm not sure. Anyway, he had it on different hourly or something, but we had broke out of the channel on the top side, so which is a good sign. It would look something more like that, to where it broke through the top of the channel. That is a very bullish indicator. Let me get rid of that. And let's see, let's go back to February. And let's see what kind of percentages we are getting from February 1st. We'll take the low on the 31st, so that's perfect. And 99, 62% increase. Sorry about that, folks. From today. Now if I go find them again, wherever I wrote them. Anyway, so yeah, 62% rise in 3 weeks. Everybody that I've been listening to this morning is talking 55,000, 56 today, and then maybe a pull. There's others talking 61, 62, and so I don't know. I'm thinking 50. I don't think we're going to 60 today, but you never know. But I haven't seen anybody commenting on going down. So anyway, yeah, we have 61 to 62,000. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, you can use some of these YouTubers' links. If you go to Phoenix, you get $680. I may take some of mine out of Coinbase and move it to Phoenix so I can get a free $680. I mean, that's a lot of money just for depositing, some Bitcoin. Anyway, the fake out. We can go back here. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, right here. On Valentine's Day, we had a big drop. It was like a big fake and shake, and then we went up, and then here again on 21st, we had another fake out, and then back up, and then another little one. Yeah, 16th, and then ever since the 16th, there's no more fake outs. So they tried to shake out who they could, and they hadn't been able to. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts, technical charts on the 1 hour. As you can see, we are above the 21 EMA and the 50, and of course the 200. RSI on the 1 hour is above the critical zone. 2 hours, same thing. 4 hour, same thing. 6 hour, still above. 12 hours from now, it's 76. So RSI is going straight up. It's not going anywhere. Looking at the Stokes, stochastic is what they call it. 1 hour, we were above the critical line at a 93 on 2 hour. 4 hour, 93. 6 hour, about the same. 12 hour comes down to the critical line a little bit, bounces back up to 84. So it's not even going below the critical line either. So that's excellent. Let's take a look at the MACD. 1 hour MACD, we are sitting, came down, are oscillating back up at 68, something like that. On the 2 hour, we're going to be at 229. 4 hour, looks like we're going to drop below it and come back up. 4, 6 hours. Looks like we'll go back down a little bit and then back up to 174. And on the 12 hour, we hit 971, and then we're going to come down for a bit, and then we're going to come back up. So we did have a few downs in there, but the trend is up, so that is excellent. And here is my BitMEX Funder. I love it. I don't think it shows much on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Last little dip was February 3rd. Everything's above. That was January. And Valentine's Day, we had one little line coming down there. And I'll see here. Yep, January 31st. Everything has been above. That's on a daily chart, on a weekly chart. Let's go on projecting out forward. Remember, let's see, we're at, okay, September, November, December, January, February. So here we are today. We're going up. So we'll see how high this goes up. I mean, look where it went here back in December of 17 when it went to 20,000. we were at 1.0.112. So we'll see how high this goes up. We're into 0.15789. I mean, if it could get up to here, I mean, yeah, the stuff, sell it, you know, or probably goes up to here. I'll sell it. So when we have that many people predicting prices going like that today, it's almost impossible not to buy. So I just buy it, and then I turn around and sell it when it bounces back up. 12-hour, look at the date here. It's February 16th. We're in consolidation, capitulation, rather. So that's capitulation. On the daily chart, still showing capitulation through tomorrow, but indicators are saying it's going up. So we'll get a buy signal probably it actually shows a buy signal like from the 15th. So I mean, it's a lot of buys in there and a lot of consolidation. So anyway, 1 hour chart is looking good over the 21 EMA, looking good on the 2 hour and the 4 hour, still riding above it. 6 hour, we're still riding way above it, breaking away from it. And on the 12 hour, we've still got a good distance between it. We got a price of $46,600 to right now at $52,590. So, you know, what's that, $6,000 difference before it'd have to hit this 21? And it's not gonna happen probably, but if it did decide to do a dump, it would be a great opportunity to buy. So, you know, just gotta decide what you want to do. Let me move this, what I've been playing with lately on Phoenix, which I'm going to see how much it costs to deposit in there. What you're doing is you're buying and shorting. You can short or long, whatever you want. I'll long all these stocks. Bought 10 of that, 5 of that, 5 of that. You know, it's not really very expensive. It's just cheap stuff I'm practicing with. If I get good enough at it, I think my percentage rate is about 80%. If I can keep it around 80, 75, 80, I will start longing and shorting Bitcoin, because that's where the money is being made. Okay. Oh yeah, let me go through the notes. Yeah, that was a fake out. We are in a parabolic move. Let me get back to this chart over here. And so if we look, I mean, this is parabolic. I mean, it's constant straight up. You get a better idea here. I mean, look at that. That's what you call a parabolic move. Here's what happened in 2017, I believe. Was it? No, this was 17, maybe. I don't know. Not sure. But anyway, you get a good idea on this weekly right there of what a parabolic move looks like, which gives us 915% since March. So almost 1,000% since March. If you'd invested, I was telling people back in like October, September, when it was at, let's see where we were. Lord almighty, are you kidding me? That's 18 wrong. Let me go back to this chart here. I don't need this box. Get out. Away. Away. Okay. Let's see where we were. 20. Okay, so that's November. September. Okay. Yeah, 1st September. $10,200. I think I started telling people at about October, right around Halloween, started saying, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. It was 13,000. Now it is $52,000. So if you'd have put in $1,000, or let's do 52 divided by 13. So you'd have made, what, $4,000 if you'd have put in $1,000. So if you had put in 10,000, you'd made 40. So that is what happens. So, I don't try to convince anybody that they need to buy it. They know if they've got enough money or if they want any money or, I don't have to buy it, but, I love it. I have fun. That's what I do. I got to get back to writing my again. Look, all my groups I've changed from being able to join to where you have to answer 3 easy questions. I mean, you can write in whatever you want, and all you gotta do is click I agree to the rules. And these people try to join, they don't answer any questions, they don't agree to the rules, and they ain't getting in. So if you're not going to do that, don't bother. Okay? So anyway, trying to help beginners out there. If you have any questions, please send them to me. Let's see what else we got here. Someone has a target at 58,800. Here's the problem. There's a supply crisis. Everybody, there's no Bitcoin out there. It's being traded on exchanges. You can buy it on Coinbase and places like that. But the big institutions have no place to buy new Bitcoin. There's only 9,000 or 900 being mined every day. So, there's none to buy. MicroStrategies, Mike Saylor, who had put $600 million in, borrowed another $300 million at 0% interest to put into Bitcoin. Borrowed money with no interest to buy Bitcoin. I mean, he knows something you don't. Anyway, a lot of them are putting in cold storage. That's what I'm going to do, is put it in on a Nano S drive and put it in my safe, and it won't be out on the internet anywhere. Let's see. Right now there are 65 million Bitcoin wallets. Okay, so there's 300 million people in the U.S. So worldwide, there's billions, but 65 million wallets for Bitcoin, when only about 1 or 2% of the population even know anything about it, is phenomenal. In countries where they're banning Bitcoin, they're doing better with Bitcoin since it's been banned. Because you can't ban it. I mean, you can make a law, I guess, and try to arrest somebody, but you're not going to find out who it is. So, unless they tell you. Anyway, so yeah, they're doing better where it's banned. If Bitcoin reaches 67% of the market share of cryptocurrencies, we will probably see the altcoin season end, which means all the other crypto coins that are out there that are doing so well right now, that'll probably come to an end if we get to 67%. You can find that on Crown Crypto Cave webpage, where the percentage is. So anyway, so I did some longing on 3 or 4. I got a couple more I'm looking at. Bitcoin's at 1 market cap. It's the 5th largest market cap in the world. The only people ahead of them right now is silver, gold, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple. So they are right behind the leading 4 or 5 companies, and slowly Michael Saylor at MicroStrategies is talking about a $700 million buy-in. Gold today is down to 1781, which is disappointing because it was at like 1840. So anyway, silver's still holding strong at 2739. I think it was 2743 last week. So silver's doing good. The dollar's at 90 to 91, which is better than being in the 80s, because when it goes in the 80s, that's bad news. Oil is $60 a barrel. When Donald Trump was in office, oil was $40 to $50 a barrel. Since Biden has taken office, we're up to 60. So look for it to go to 80 to 100 to 120 in the next year or two. So get ready to pay $4 or $5 a gallon of gas. So buy you a small car or just don't drive. Let's see what else we got coming up here. 1700. Let's see. Oh yeah, Google Trends. I was going to show you that. Let's see what screen I'm on here. Oh yeah, I have it over here. Google Trends. Google Trends has only hit 100 a couple of times, and we just hit in the last 7 days. Come on, pop up. That says 62. That's wrong, because I saw it this morning at 100. It says at 88 right now, but it went up to 100 twice. And why it's not showing it on the 7 day, I'm not quite sure. $80 there. See, there we go. Okay, February 16th, yesterday, 100% search on Google for Bitcoin. And then we had 88 today, and back up to 88 again. We have not had 100 since, I think it was right here. Yeah, February 8th all the way to, was it the 9th? Yeah, February 8th, 9th, we had 100. Other than that, probably have to go back. January 11th, and then if you go back a year, that was January. So you go back the whole year, look where it was. 15%, 15, 20%, 20%, 16%. Now we're at 100% Google searches. So anyway, this is my channel, the Bitcoin channel. Go subscribe there so you can watch all my videos. I am posting them on Facebook and on CloutHub, and getting much as I can out here. And that is the link. I'll post that on one of my posts right there, and you can watch my videos, which is getting to be quite an extensive collection, if I must say myself. So 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 51 videos. So there you go, folks, 51 videos. If you're not familiar with CloutHub, here you go. This is my Bitcoin on CloutHub. And it'd be great to get some more people over here, because we need them. We really do. The chart one more time. Oh boy. 52, almost 600. So we are getting there. I'm looking for 55 today, hopefully, but if not, that's fine. Anyway, guys, pleasure meeting you, and hope to see you again on BBB, and we'll see where we're heading from here. See if we get to that 60,000. And there's others that are saying 100. Anyway, have a blessed day. I'll talk at y'all next time. Eyes up always. Make ready for what's to come.